Here are the must-try typical dishes of Brazil that every foreign traveler should experience. Feijoada, a traditional Brazilian dish. Feijoada is a black bean stew with various types of pork, such as sausage, ribs, and jerked beef. It is typically served with rice, collard greens, orange slices, and farofa, toasted cassava flour, offering a complete and flavorful meal. Coxinha, a popular treat in Brazil. Coxinha is a deep-fried dough made from wheat flour, shaped like a chicken leg, and filled with seasoned shredded chicken. It is crispy on the outside and makes a great quick snack. Pão de queijo, popular throughout the country. Pão de queijo is a small cheese bread made from cassava starch, tapioca flour, and cheese, typically minus cheese. It is baked until crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, making it a delicious and easily available snack. Brigadeiro, a classic Brazilian dessert. Brigadeiro is a sweet treat made from condensed milk, cocoa powder, butter, and chocolate sprinkles. It is an irresistible delight that can be found at parties and confectionaries throughout Brazil. Açaí, originating from the northern region of Brazil, açaí is a purple fruit with a creamy pulp, typically served as a sorbet and topped with fruits, granola, and honey. It is refreshing and energizing, making it a popular choice on hot days. Trying these typical Brazilian dishes will provide a unique culinary experience, immersing you in the diversity and flavors of the country. Let us know in the comments which one would you try. Also subscribe on our channel so you don't miss the next videos. See you there.